it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. It's Black History Month, so we're starting today's video off with a quote. We take a moment to not only acknowledge love, but to also acknowledge the contributions of African Americans to American history and to world history. And I'm so excited to share today's quote with you guys because it's from one of my all-time favorite people in history, one of my all-time favorite scientists. That's Percy Julian. I don't know if I just love it because your man knew how to use a soybean. And if you're unfamiliar with his life work and his research, take some time to look him up because he did amazing things researching stuff for glaucoma, also about steroids for progesterone, also with hydrocortisone, cortisone. Just an amazing, amazing person. So let me go ahead and share this quote with you. It says, "I remember as a boy of 17 years of age, this was a fascinating thing for me, how we human beings breathe out carbon dioxide into the air. The leaves of plants pick this carbon dioxide up and the plants give off oxygen, which we can breathe in and keep our life going." I just love Percy Julian. Take some time to look him up. I'm also excited to share today's recipe with you because I've never made gyoza dumplings. I've never made pot stickers before. And today we're doing it on the channel. So good, y'all. Let me just go ahead and give an honest disclaimer. I had to contain myself because I would have just ate the entire batch. And I want to say you can make 45 plus dumplings with the amount that we're going to make in the video. So I'm really excited to hear what you guys think about it. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. So first I'm going to take my vegan bouillon, which is going to season my meat substitute. I'm taking 1 cup of some TVP. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of hot water to reconstitute it. I don't want it too wet, just enough to kind of, like I said, reconstitute. And I'll pop a lid on that and set it to the side. In a large bowl, I'm going to take some green onions. I'm going in with some shiitake mushrooms. And I've got some nicely chopped up cabbage here. To that, I'll add the seasoned TVP. And then I'm going to go in with some crushed garlic. Of course, if you'd like to mince your own garlic, you're more than welcome to do that. And then I'm just going to follow that up with some black pepper and a little bit of some Himalayan pink salt. And then I've got some sesame oil. And I'll be using tamari, but you can also use soy sauce. Then I mashed up some ginger. And I'm going to give everything a good mix until I've got my gyoza dumpling wrappers here. And as you can see, they're little circles, and I went ahead and filled them out. To that, I'll just apply some water to the edges of the dumpling, and then you can try to do these crimps. Y'all, I figured out there's a way easier process for this, but that's what I got. If you're not feeling the crimps, you can go ahead and just use a half moon shape fold for it, because the good thing is that no matter how you decide to fold it, it tastes amazing. So I'm just putting them into a skillet with medium-high heat oil, and I'm going to fry the bottom of the pot stickers. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a 1/4 cup of water, pop a lid on it, and allow them to steam for 4 to 5 minutes. When you take them out, they should look like this. And then I'm just going to plate them up with some green onions. Let me know in the comment section below what you think.